In the rapidly evolving dairy industry, technology continues to revolutionize traditional farming practices. Among the significant advancements is the rotary milking system, a highly efficient solution for large-scale dairy operations. Designed to streamline the milking process, rotary systems allow multiple cows to be milked simultaneously in a continuous circular flow. This reduces labor requirements and enhances productivity, ensuring a smooth operation for dairy farmers. The HMI headlock bottle feeding system is an innovative approach to group feeding applications. It offers unparalleled convenience and efficiency, enabling farmers to feed calves in groups while ensuring consistent nutrition and ease of handling. With its user-friendly design, this system minimizes stress for both the animals and the caretakers, making it a valuable asset for modern dairy farming. Quality Calf Farming is a compelling documentary that delves into the life of a dedicated farmer in New Zealand. This film explores the intricacies of calf farming, showcasing techniques that prioritize animal welfare, including meticulous husbandry practices and genuine affection for the animals. By emphasizing the connection between animal care and business profitability, the documentary offers insights into sustainable farming practices that benefit both the farmers and their livestock. Maintaining hoof health is crucial for dairy cattle. The Footbath HS is an advanced automatic and fast-draining steel footbath designed to provide optimal hoof care. Its unlimited draining capacity ensures that the footbath remains clean and effective, helping to prevent infections and other hoof-related issues. This innovation is a testament to the industry's commitment to animal health and productivity. Oakland's farm in Suffolk, UK, operated by E.S. Burrows & Son, exemplifies innovation in dairy farming. Managed by David Burrows, his son Jamie, and sister Margaret, this family-run business spans 1,000 acres of dairy and horticultural operations. To accommodate a growing herd of 600 cows and enhance efficiency, the farm installed a state-of-the-art Dairymaster SwiftFlow Revolver rotary milking machine. Up and over scraper tailgate ensures smooth cow flow. Auto entry and auto identification streamlines the milking process. Barn feeding and cluster cleaning promotes hygiene and efficiency. Auto pull mechanism reduces manual labor. Swift Cool Duo heat recovery and milk tank maintains milk quality and energy efficiency. Efficient tail hygiene is essential for dairy farm operations, and the Tailwell tail cutter is setting new standards. Capable of cleaning up to 250 tails in just 45 minutes, this ultra-fast electric cutter mounts on a powerful cordless drill. Designed and manufactured by Schoof International in New Zealand, the Tailwell is robust enough to handle the dirtiest tails while ensuring a clean and comfortable result. Available through local agricultural suppliers, the Tailwell is a must-have for modern dairy farms. Proper hoof trimming is vital for preventing lameness and ensuring the overall health of dairy cows. Below is a comprehensive guide to trimming hooves effectively. Zin Pro Nail Checker ensures proper nail length, heel depth, and sole thickness. Chipping or power wheel grinder removes excess nail horn. Nail clippers and knife shapes between nails and removes damaged tissue. Veterinary ice blocks and glue attaches blocks for hoof support. Begin with the inner nail of the hind foot. Use the nail checker to measure proper toe length, 3.25 inches for medium and Holstein breeds. Trim the sole to create a flat, even surface from toe to heel. This ensures proper weight distribution and prevents lameness. Avoid trimming hooves shorter than 3.25 inches to prevent injury. Regularly clean and inspect tools for optimal performance. By adhering to these steps, farmers can significantly improve hoof health, enhance mobility, and boost overall productivity in their dairy operations. Automatic barn cleaning robot. The Discovery Collector represents a revolutionary leap forward in the field of barn maintenance. Designed specifically for barns with solid, dense floors, this innovative manure robot takes a completely different approach compared to traditional scrapers. By prioritizing cleanliness, cow comfort, and operational efficiency, the collector is poised to redefine barn hygiene standards. Unlike conventional systems that rely on pushing manure across barn floors, the Discovery Collector uses advanced vacuum technology to efficiently remove waste. This groundbreaking design eliminates the buildup of manure, a common issue with scraper systems, ensuring a cleaner and healthier environment for livestock. By vacuuming instead of scraping, the collector minimizes the contact between cows and manure, directly improving animal welfare and reducing the risk of hoof diseases caused by prolonged exposure to waste. Unlike conventional systems that rely on pushing manure across barn floors, the Discovery Collector uses advanced vacuum technology to efficiently remove waste. This groundbreaking design eliminates the buildup of manure, a common issue with scraper systems, ensuring a cleaner and healthier environment for livestock. By vacuuming instead of scraping, the collector minimizes the contact between cows and manure, directly improving animal welfare and reducing the risk of hoof diseases caused by prolonged exposure to waste. One of the standout features of the Discovery Collector is its environmental and economic benefits. By maintaining a consistently clean barn floor, the collector reduces the need for frequent deep cleaning, saving water and cleaning agents. Additionally, it contributes to a healthier herd by preventing the spread of bacteria and pathogens, potentially lowering veterinary costs and boosting milk production. The efficient operation of the robot also helps to reduce labor costs, freeing up time for farmers to focus on other critical tasks. Ease of use is another hallmark of the Discovery Collector. Its user-friendly interface allows farmers to schedule cleaning cycles, monitor performance, and make adjustments with minimal effort. The system is designed for durability and low maintenance, ensuring reliable performance even in demanding barn environments.